You can geo-target multiple cities with Proxyrack proxies by making a change to your username wherever you've configured your proxies. So that could be in code, it could be in an application, it could be in your browser. Basically, wherever you're asked for your username and your API key, this is where you would make that change. So I can show you an example. So we'll need our username and our API key. I already have these in a text file here. And what you'll need to do is add a few things after your username. And so in order to geo-target multiple cities at one time, we need to use the semicolon syntax. If you watched our other videos on geo-targeting and you saw the dash syntax, you cannot use that to geo-target multiple cities at once. You will need to use the semicolon syntax. So we go semicolon, and we first need to add the country that we're geo-targeting. So we could say the US. And then we add our city parameter. So we say city equals, and we'll add a few different cities. So we could say Los Angeles, and we could say Chicago, and Miami. And so you could see here, we just take each city that we want, and we string them together and just put a comma in between. And you can add more cities in this if you would like. You could add less. Just make sure each city name is separated by a comma like you see here, between Los Angeles and Chicago, between Chicago and Miami. And again, you can string as many along as you would like. And then if you've also watched our other videos on geo-targeting, you'll know that if we're using this semicolon syntax, we need to encapsulate our username and API key with quotation marks in order for this to work properly. I can show you how to do this in your dashboard as well if you want to use this to create a list of your proxies and either copy out that list or download the list. So we already have the host and the port here. We can add our username and our password to this as well. And then we can just come in here and say the same thing. We say country equals US, semicolon city equals, and we'll add Los Angeles, we'll add Chicago, and we'll add Miami to that. And again, we need to encapsulate all this in quotation marks. So we'll do that now. And then you can see over here that it's already populated everything with all the information that's needed. You can either copy out that list or download it. And again, you just need to put this wherever you've configured your proxies with your username and password. Just make this change and you will be able to geo-target multiple cities at one time.